Today we will discuss Chapter 3 of Biology. We will start from Give Reasons. Give reasons for the following statements. Digestion starts in the mouth. In mouth, the food is chewed by the teeth and mixed with saliva, which softens it and converts starch into maltose. Number 2. Villi have a network of fine blood capillaries. Villi have a network of very fine blood capillaries to increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Number 3. The inside of nose is lined by a sticky fluid called mucus. The inside of nose is lined by a sticky fluid to prevent the entry of dust and germs. 4. The opening of windpipe is girded by a muscular flap. The opening of windpipe is girded by a muscular flap so that it can closes the windpipe when we swallow food. 5. The heart acts as a pump. The heart acts as a pump to bring about the circulation of blood throughout the body. See answer in short. Now 1. What is peristalsis? Peristalsis is the wave of constriction caused by the circular muscles of the gut pushing the food along. 2. What is emulsification of fats? Emulsification of fats is the process of breakdown of larger fat globules into tiny droplets so that enzymes can easily act on them. 3. Explain the role of large intestine. The undigested food moves down to the large intestine where after absorption of water it changes to semi-solid feces which moves to the rectum and is passed out of the body at regular intervals through the anus. 4. What is the role of diaphragm in respiration? During inhalation, diaphragm becomes flat and moves down to increase the chest cavity, and during exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upwards to decrease the chest cavity. 5. What is the function of hemoglobin present in red blood corpuscles? Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transports it to all parts and cells of the body. 6. What are blood groups? Blood group is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and antigens on the surface of red blood cells. At length, A. Explain the following terms. Chyme. Chyme is a pulp-like thick paste passes from stomach to the small intestine. Assimilation. The process of conversion of digested and absorbed nutrients into another form and stored for later use is called assimilation. 3. Breathing. The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called breathing. Heartbeat. The regular rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. B. Differentiate between the following: temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Under temporary teeth, the first teeth that appears at an age of 6 to 7 months are called temporary teeth. The teeth that fall off between 6 to 8 years of age and replaced by a new set of teeth are called permanent teeth. B. There are 20 milk teeth and these are 32 in number, 16 in each jaw. C. Milk teeth consists of 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 premolars. These consist of 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. 2. Small intestine and large intestine. Under small intestine, it runs between stomach and large intestine. Large intestine. Large intestine is a terminal part of the intestine that is wider and shorter than the small intestine. B. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum are the components of small intestine. Colon, cecum and rectum are the components of the large intestine. C. Inner walls of small intestine has finger-like projections called villi. Large intestine does not have villi. 3. Breathing and respiration. Breathing. Breathing is a physical process. Respiration, it is a biochemical process. B. It involves the exchange of gases through inhalation and exhalation. It involves utilization of oxygen to oxidize glucose into carbon dioxide, water and energy. C. It takes place mainly in the lungs. It takes place in tissues and cells of the body. D. Energy is not released while breathing. Energy is released and stored as ATP in cellular respiration. 4. Arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart and into an organ. Veins carry blood away from an organ and towards the heart. Arteries have thick and more muscular walls. Veins have thin and less muscular walls. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Valves are absent in arteries. Valves are present in veins. C. Answer in detail. Give the location of 4 types of teeth along with its function. The location of 4 types of teeth along with their functions are incisors. These are located in the front of the mouth in the upper and lower jaw. They are used for cutting and biting food. Canines. These are situated next to the incisors, one on each side. They are sharp and pointed for piercing and tearing food. Premolars. There are 12 premolars next to the canines on each side of the jaw. They are used for crushing and grinding food. Molars. These are the last 3 teeth on each side of both the jaws next to the premolars. They are used for chewing and grinding food. Question number 2. Describe the structure of small intestine given a 2 of its functions. The small intestine is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where most of the absorption of nutrients and minerals from food takes place. The villi of small intestine increase the surface area of the absorption of digested food. Any 2 functions of small intestines are: it is a place for most digestion and absorption of food. So here students, we have finished till number 2. We will discuss from question number 3 in our next video. Thank you.